So question number 21 says that the following data are obtained when the dinitrogen and dioxygen they react to form the different compounds, right? So oxygen and nitrogen they are combining and they are forming different compounds. So in जो compounds में mass होगा dinitrogen or dioxide they are given. Four different compounds are formed and the masses of non nitrogen and oxygen in these compounds it is given, right? So we will fix the mass of one element that is nitrogen, dinitrogen. So on fixing the mass of dinitrogen as 14 grams, right? So 14 grams को मैंने फिक्स कर लिया यहाँ पर भी इन दोनों में. Then we will find that यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का मास कितना आ रहा है. फर्स्ट में 16 आ रहा है, इसमें 32 आ रहा है. अगर 28 में 32 है तो 14 में कितना होगा हमारे पास 16 होगा, राइट. इन 14 ग्राम ऑन फिक्सिंग 14 ग्राम ऑफ मास ऑफ डाइनाइट्रोजन. सिमिलरली 28 में अगर 80 है तो 14 ग्राम में कितना होगा, उसका हाफ 40 ग्राम होगा. सो नाउ वी विल टेक द रेशियो ऑफ दीज masses of the oxygen in first, second, third and fourth compounds. So ratio of oxygen it comes out to be in first, second and third 16 ratio 32 ratio 16 then 40. ठीक है. We have fixed the mass of nitrogen that is 14 gram in all these compounds. So ratio of oxygen comes out to be 2:4:2:5. So right. So this is basically the simple whole number ratio. This is simple whole number ratio. So ये कौन सा लॉ जस्टिफाई करता है. वी हैव टू which of the following, so which law of the chemical combination is obeyed by the above experimental data. Since we know that law of multiple proportion says that if two elements here nitrogen and oxygen are combining to form more than one compound, so four compounds are formed, right? Then the different masses of one element we have taken of oxygen, different masses of one element that combined with the fixed mass of the other element, that is nitrogen fixed mass we have taken 14 gram. So they bear a simple whole number ratio to one another, that is 2:4:2:5, right? So this data is obeying the law of multiple proportions. Right. Part B. So part B says that fill in the blanks in the following conversations. Right. So first of all we need to, these all are the conversions, right, that we have to write. So we need to write 1 kilometer in mm, right. Then also we have to write 1 kilometer into picometer. So first of all we will write 1 kilometer in mm. Since we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, right. Then 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, right. So we will find here, देखो बच्चे ये सारे कैंसिल आउट ही हो जाने हैं. अल्टीमेटली यूनिट्स कौन से रह जाएंगे, mm रह जाएगा, ठीक है. So on solving, what we will get? 3, 2 and 1. So 10 raised to power 6 mm. Similarly, we can write 1 kilometer. We have to express in picometer. So 1 kilometer in 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Then 1 meter is equals to how many picometers? It is 10 raised to power minus 12 picometer, right? It is 1 picometer. So now here, sorry, we have to write here meter. 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? So मीटर से मीटर कैंसिल हो गया, किलोमीटर से किलोमीटर कैंसिल हो गया, ठीक है। तो 10 रेस टू माइनस 12 जब ऊपर आएगा न्यूमरेटर में, ठीक है, +3, इट विल गिव यू 10 रेस टू पावर 15 पिकोमीटर। 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 रेस टू पावर 15 पिकोमीटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, we have to convert 1 milligram into kg. So basically 1 mg it is equal to 1 mg into 10 into, so we can write this क्योंकि ये दोनों इक्वल ही हैं। 1000 mg is equals to 1 gram, right? Also 1000 gram it is equal to 1 kg, ठीक है। 1000 ग्राम मिलीग्राम जो हो जाएगा बच्चे वो 1 ग्राम की इक्वलेंट ही है, ये तो मिलीग्राम है। 10 माइनस 3 और 10 ये तो कैंसिल आउट हो जाने हैं, इसलिए इसको हम इट मीन्स द सेम। एंड 1000 ग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू 1 kg। तो यहाँ से ग्राम से ग्राम कैंसिल, मिलीग्राम से मिलीग्राम, इट कम्स आउट टू बी this 1000 and this 1000, it comes out to be 10 raised to power minus 6 kg, right? Then for second it is given we have to convert 1 mg into ng, right? So that is n stands for nanogram. So 1 mg, we know that it is equal to 1, we can write 1000 mg equal to 1 gram again. So 1 nanogram is equals to 10 raised to power minus 9 gram. So here gram से gram cancel, mg से mg cancel. So 1000 going to the numerator, it will become 10 raised to minus 3. It is already 10 raised to power minus 9. So minus 3 and minus 8 will give you 10 raised to power how much? बच्चे ये 3 है, 10 raised to minus 3, this is 10 raised to power, sorry, one wait, nano we know it is 10 raised to minus 3, right? Minus 9. So here 10 raised to power 3 and 10 raised to power minus 9, it will give 10 raised to power minus 6. Going to the numerator, it will give 10 raised to power 6 mg. Next, third part, we have to convert 1 ml into liters. So 1 ml is basically equal to 1 liter by 1000 ml, right? So we need to convert it into liters. It comes out to be ml से ml cancel, 10 raised to power minus 3 liters. It was very easy. Next 1 ml, again we have to convert it into decimeter cube or cubic decimeter. So it comes out to be 1 ml so 10 raised to power minus 3 liters into, we have already found, right? It is 10 raised to minus 3 liters. So 1 by 1 liter is equals to 1 decimeter cube. So you should know this, that 1 liter is equals to 1 decimeter cube. So liter से liter हो जाएगा cancel. It comes out to be 10 raised to power minus 3 decimeter cube. So this is your question.